today I'm gonna show you how to make cappuccino, okay? So if I'm gonna make cappuccino, I will take my water filter, I will wipe it, and then I will grind my coffee. I will use 20 grams of ground coffee, and I will deliver it, and I will turn. Then I will start making espresso. Extraction should be 25 seconds, 40 ml. So this espresso should be double shot because I'm using 20 grams of coffee. So I will use the ratio 1 to 2. Then I will have yield of coffee 40 ml. Okay. Then after 25 seconds, I will stop. After stop, I will start steaming my milk. And the temperature should be not above 60, okay? Because the good temperature for the milk to have a good texture of the coffee, temperature should be 55 to 60 or 65. But I will not go above 60. Come check it out. Once I start to steam the milk, when the temperature is changing, this one will become the black. Now I will stop. Now it is in 60 temperature, okay? And then I will start pour my coffee. Then how I do it? I will shake my espresso, and then I will start pour latte art for cappuccino. Today I'm gonna make flour, okay? The best flour in the world. I will do like this, slowly pass through. This is my flour for cappuccino latte art. Thank you so much.